so smooth. Butter smooth. I think I'm in trouble. I think I broke it. Okay. Alright, so we are now trying out the newly announced Spark Cycleworks Brute. Just announced today. Oh man, alright. They say it's torquey. Oh yeah, this has got power. The knobby tires got a nice vibration. I don't want to pin it too much. I feel like it's very powerful. But I believe this is similar specs to the Javelin. 72 volt, 4 kilowatt motor, I believe, with a 30 amp hour battery. But yeah, this is a little bit stiffer. I'm scared to open it up. It feels got some power.
Yeah, you think?
Yeah. All right, ready, set, go. Oh yeah, that's gonna lift up. Oh, I definitely could have kept up. I let loose on the. Yeah, I let loose on the throttle. I got scared. But it actually had initial torque was quick. But I gotta give it back. It feels good. It feels a little stiff. Seats definitely needs to be a little softer, but it's got the power 100%. Power's there 100%. It's a nice massage.
Who's got next on this one? Go for it, man. Go for it.
Does it feel good?
5.4, and you could almost flat foot it, so that's nice. Like the suspension sinks in.
Yeah, so it's not too tall.
So I mean, it feels comfortable.
Yeah.
Let's see.
But
Alright. We're gonna try this one more time. Okay, so we're getting our first impressions on the Spark Cycleworks Javelin. Okay, ready? Let's hit it. So smooth. Butter smooth. It's going almost 37 uphill. So this is a 72 volt, 40 amp hour battery, I believe, with a 4 kilowatt motor. I believe that's the specs. If I'm wrong, I will put them up on the screen. But this thing feels great. Super stable, super smooth. Got a lot of power. I don't even want to push it that hard. But even at these speeds, it feels so smooth. Oh man, I felt like regen just kicked in. What the heck? Something just slowed me down. Uh-oh. I think I killed the bike. Uh-oh. I broke it. Oops. I think I broke the bike. The throttle's not working. Okay, we're cruising down this hill because I lost all power. I hope I'm not in trouble. That doesn't sound good. I think I'm in trouble. I think I broke it. I think I broke it. All right, I turned it off. Let's see. Nope. I broke it. Sorry.
What'd you do?
I think I gotta leave before Matt finds out.
What happened? It just shut off?
It's not. The throttle's not working.
Okay, so first stop. Hold on, just stop. Hold the brakes in.
I don't know
Let
what.
go. Yeah, you're good now.
Oh, is it good?
Yeah, it went into safety mode.
Oh, really?
Yeah. What happened right before it cut off?
I don't even know.
Okay.
I just felt like it almost
It's
felt
good
like
now. It's good
it
now.
felt like regen started like kicking in. The last person that rode it was Easyheimer.
Yeah, I saw it.
Hey, you got that on camera.
Easyheimer was the last one on it. Don't tell Matt, but Easyheimer did it, so it's not me. It wasn't Erock.